Now let's take a look at the engine, and the first thing you need to know is that how it works isn't actually that important. You can just think of it like a fleshlight, because you should think about what it does for you and not what's going on inside while you're using it. All you need to know is that there are cylinders with a piston that pumps up and down, air and fuel goes in, combustion occurs, and that creates a force which is used to move the car. If you want to take that red pill and actually see how an engine works, you can just look it up. There's a ton of videos, and it's really not that complicated. The real thing that you should know is the basic notation. So when you see something like this, you should be able to tell what kind of engine it has, and it's actually pretty easy. So the first thing to look at is actually the last number here, which tells you how many cylinders the engine has. This is the most important information since it tells you a lot about the character of the car. For example, something small, cheap, and light like a Honda Civic will almost always have 4 cylinders, while something faster and sportier like a Corvette or a Mustang will have 8, and a Bugatti can have up to 16 cylinders. And to put that in context, the new Honda Civic has a 4-cylinder with 1.5 liters, while the new Bugatti has a 16-cylinder with 8 liters. And that is basically all you need to know to talk about engines, except for one thing, which is the induction type. Now, most engines are what's called naturally aspirated, and this means the movement of the pistons in the cylinders draws fresh air in, which means you have oxygen for the combustion to occur. However, there is a better way to do things, and that's by either using a turbocharger or a supercharger to cram more air into the engine. More air means more oxygen, which means you can have a bigger explosion and make more horsepower.